Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got some super exciting for you. I have installed iOS 26 on my iPhone SE 2020 and I have been testing it out. In this video I'll share everything you need to know, that good, that bad, and everything is between. Let's dive in. First of all, let's take about look at the performance. I was genuinely surprised by how smooth and snappy iOS 26 is on the iPhone SE 2020, even with its older hardware. The iPhone SE handles iOS 26 like a champ. Opening apps, multitasking, and animations all feel fluid and responsive. It's definitely a thumbs up in this department. Now moving on to the control center, honestly, I'm not a big fan. Apple has redesigned it, but I feel like it's not the readable as before, especially on the SE's small displays. The notification panel also feels a bit laggy, which is disappointing. Hopefully, Apple addresses this in future updates. Let's talk about new animations and UI. One thing I absolutely love is the new animation. They are subtle but make the experience feel fresh and modern. The settings app now has these squeezed button styles. Let me show you. As you guys can see here, let's say I jump to battery and it have a new layout here. Low power mode, battery percentage, and now you can see these squeezed button styles, which look pretty cool and are easy to navigate. It's those little details that makes iOS updates exciting. However, there are some features on iPhone SE 2020, for example, special scene features in photos isn't available here, and same goes with the special scene in wallpaper section. But on the bright side, the new wallpaper there are available look fantastic, and the updated clock style is sleek. Speaking of updates, the new camera UI is a big improvement here. It's more intuitive and offers better control over settings. FaceTime has fresh style too, and new cards in the Photos app, phone app card style look great. Also introduced new game and redesigned preview app. As you guys can see here, there are new applications which are fun addition. Overall, iOS 26 breathes new life into iPhone SE 2020. There are few hiccups like control center, notification panel, but the animation, wallpaper, UI updates, and performance make it a solid update. Are you using an iPhone SE 2020? Is it worth trying out? Let me know in the comments. What do you think iOS 26 on the iOS device? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.